that a funny place to put a movie?
Why is the movie on the sky, Caleb?
It's in the movie. Someone put it on.
So when you're lying down at the dentist, you can watch a movie.
See if we can get all those yellow bugs off. I am almost done. Then we'll go get a picture of your teeth. Open really big, Caleb. Good job. You doing okay?
Good job, sweetie.
Do one more time and get the molars back here. Can you open real big again? Look up at the movie, okay? There you go. If I can get these last two molars, I'm going to be happy. You're almost done, buddy. Really still one more second. Good, Caleb. Okay, buddy. I think I got most of that.
Caleb, you did so good. Where's Caleb?
Really
Do you see him on the screen? You did such a good job, sweet pea.
You did really good.
Yeah, we cleaned your teeth. You were such a great boy.
Caleb, let's go over to another chair and take pictures of your teeth, okay?
We're going to take pictures of your teeth.